So Voxo, we like to make sure that our customers feel more like partners than just customers. We're not just a vendor, we want to be a partner. And so when the AE, Voxo's account executive, completes the deal and they actually get a signed proposal, they'll introduce our project manager to the customer and we'll have an initial onboarding meeting. On this meeting, we try to work out the details of what the customer's actual needs are, then we'll move forwards with planning. Our project manager will typically build out a timeline. This timeline has basic milestones for the install, and we try to make it as convenient and as least painful as we can for the customer because there is a transition period, right? So you want to be mindful of uptime, make sure that the customer isn't down for any meaningful period of time. We want to make sure that each of these milestones is being hit, and we go and we'll drop people off on site to do an assessment if needed. We will build out all of the hardware ordering, make sure that the hardware is being delivered to the correct place, which is, if it's a multi-location install, that can be complex. We want to make sure that that's done with the proper care. And we typically will start building out the account at this point. Okay, so we know when the install date's going to come. We build out the account. We work with the customer to make sure that they understand how to use our system, how to modify and work with the account that we've built them, make sure it's exactly what they need, and then we will plan out the actual install day. We'll show up, our guys will show up with donuts or someone they're happy. They will get some FaceTime with the staff to make sure that the people at the location have a name and a face that they actually can put together with Voxo. And from there, we'll build out the install with their convenience in mind. We try to work around them, we try not to get in their way as much as we can, and we make it as painless as we can. And that's basically the Voxo install. Now, after that, we don't just drop them off. We have a 48-hour post-install care period. This is a window during which our project manager stays right there, answering any call from the customer, making sure that their install went smoothly, make sure there's no issues after the fact. And if there are, we course correct, we fix it. And then at the end of that period, we hand it off to support. And so we try to make sure that is our number one selling point, is that we make sure that they feel special and attended to and that this is a partnership.